Today we are going to discuss chapter Reading Works of Art. And in this chapter we are going to discuss about famous personality Haider Raza. Now Syed Haider Raza, who was popularly known as Raza, and he was a renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, and captivating compositions, attractive compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his painting, and so are the colors blue and orange. Blue and orange. So, in his painting, one can easily see these two colors, different shades of blue and the orange color. You will find them in almost all his painting. So in almost all his painting he used blue and orange color, different shades of blue and orange color. And none of his painting depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from the environment. And he has never taken idea from figures or taken the idea from the environment. His painting belong to the abstract style of paintings. So all the ideas that he has taken, and that idea could be abstract ideas. You know what is the meaning of abstract? That could be that cannot be touched, right? Like feeling of pain, feeling of love. Now, such paintings are not inspired by external factors. So Syed Haider Raza, his painting was not inspired by external factors like human figures or the sceneries, beautiful sceneries. No. Now, they originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind, to look into. So whenever the artist, they always wanted to look into himself, then they realize, okay, this is the abstract ideas and this is the actual drawing which I want to draw. So they are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint. So whatsoever the idea that was coming into Syed Raza's mind, he was using the different geometrical shapes, right? Like circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots, and applying different colors. And as we have already read, that he was always using blue and orange color. Now, effective technique of applying paint, attractive color combination, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Raja was found his painting through his study of Indian art and its heritage. So what is the meaning of heritage? Heritage means features belonging to the culture of a particular society. So Raja found his painting through the study of Indian art and its heritage, right? So cultural context and philosophy. His picture seems to radiate peace and life at the same time. So the kind of reflection that his picture was giving, it was peace and life. Now we realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raja's do. So actually Raja's painting was like as if they were communicating with the viewers. Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. So he started painting at the age of 12. He studied art at Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at the JJ School of Arts in Mumbai. Later, he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the three Padma Awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. With all the awards and the honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual metaphysical path. Gradually, the bindu or the point came to be the core of his painting. So he started his painting at the age of 12. He has completed his graduation from JJ School of Art in Mumbai. He moved to France and he settled there. And after that, because of his beautiful art, he has won many national and international awards. And he was also honored with three Padma Awards, right? And his paintings were exploring what exploring? Spiritual path, metaphysical path. And lastly, the bindu or the point came to be the core of his painting, right? So he described his work in these words. He was saying that my work is my inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space, and light. So, what he was telling that my work is my inner experience, my deep thought, inner experience, deep thought, what I have observed, right? And involvement with the mysteries of nature, right? And which is expressed, that deep thought was expressed with color, line, space, and light. Sometimes an artist thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. But for him, the effective medium of communication is his work, his paintings. So Raza has great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. The great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94 and leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings that is achieved through extraordinary compositions of lines and the colors that depict extraordinary compositions. So, metaphysical means a field of philosophy that is generally focused on the reality and the mind. So, what was the great thing? That this person, Sayyid Haider Raza, always used geometrical shapes in his art with variety of colors, geometrical shapes like circles, squares, lines, dot, right? And he has achieved milestone, right? And that is why it is written that when he has passed away, so he has leaving behind the legacy of sensitive painting, because initially only we have discussed that his painting all the ideas that his painting contains is from abstract ideas. He has never taken ideas from external factor, so his paintings are abstract only. So that is all about this chapter, reading work of an art, part 1, Sayyid Haider Raza. He was a great Indian artist, and it is true to say that we all really miss such a great artist. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye and take care. Hope you have understood this thing.